Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Chevy Elcamino and this is from Fast X movie, and this is number 10 in the series. This is the last one in this entire lot or entire set. And one more time I'm saying this, guys, I bought this for 249 rupees and I bought the entire set. So don't fall for scalpers who are selling this for more than 249 rupees, like they are selling for 700 800 rupees. Please don't buy that. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. And frankly speaking, this is not worth 700 or 800 rupees. It is not even worth 249 rupees. This will be put under the range of the main lines like 149 rupees, and that's it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so out of this entire set, this one looks really beautiful. It has matte black paint job. The finish is really nice. Okay, even though headlights are not painted, it has some kind of plastic here, which is really nice. The tail lights are painted, and the exhaust and the entire bottom is chromed out. And this one looks really beautiful. Out of the entire bunch, entire set, this is the only car which looks really beautiful throughout end to end. There is no irregularities in the paint, so there is no what you can say, no disappointments, to be very frank. Okay, this model looks really awesome. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it doesn't roll quite well like few other models, but personally I love this model because of the paint job and the finish, which is really beautiful, and everything is proper in this one. There is not even a single irregularity I can see here. This looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.